Hello, Assalamu alaikum all viewers and dear students. Today we have a new exponential equation, numerical, logical question. So let's come. We start. 2 exponent of a plus 2 exponent of b plus 2 exponent of c. So is equal to 148. And here a and b or c belongs to real number, natural number, belongs to natural number, and a is greater than b and b is greater than c. So according to the definition of exponential equation, we have exponential form. So if here the base is 2, so it means that 2 exponent of, if we are using 2 exponent of x, and here x is 2 exponent of x is in even number, because x belongs to real number and except of 0. If we put in here 2 exponent of 0, we put in here, we get 2 exponent of 0. So 2 exponent of 0 we get 1, 1 is an odd number, but 2 exponent of x is in even number. Similarly 2 exponent of a, 2 exponent of b and 2 exponent of c is in even number. So now we are divide this equation by the left side. 2 exponent of c we divide 2 exponent of a plus 2 exponent of b plus 2 exponent of c is equal to 148. Now this denominator term we divide by each term, so we get here 2 exponent of c, 2 exponent of a divided by 2 exponent of c plus 2 exponent of b divided by 2 exponent of c plus 2 exponent of c divided by 2 exponent of c is equal to 148. Now this term both are cancelled to each other. We get 1 exponent rule. When the base are same, so we are subtract the power to each other. In case of division, so we can write m minus n. According to this property of exponent, a exponent of m and a exponent of n, so we take one base. In case of quotient and division rule, so we subtract the power to each other, and herely the base is 2 exponent of c. We take one base and we are subtract to each other a minus c. Similarly, we take one base and b minus c plus 1 is equal to 148. Now and here this term is in even number, and similarly 148 is also in even number. Now but this term is completely is an odd number. We are required, and here to the right side is also an odd number. We are factorize 148. We are factorize this one 148. So 2 multiplied by 7 we get 14, and similarly this will be is also 2 multiplied by 74 is an even number. So we are needed 2 multiplied by, we get in here 6 and 14 multiplied by 37. It means that so the factorization of 148 we can write this term 2 exponent of c, 2 exponent of a minus c plus 2 exponent of b minus c plus 1 is equal to, and 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 37 in the place of this one. So also we can change when the bases are same, so we add their exponent 1 plus 1 into 37. Next step we can also doing in here 2 exponent of square is 37. So we get in here 2 exponent of c is also an even number, and this term is we get an odd number. Similarly in here this one is an even number, 2 exponent of 2 we get 4, and this 37 is an odd number. Now we are comparing even number with even exponent of c is equal to 2 exponent of 2. So now here bases are same, so we are comparing their exponent, we get c is equal to 2. Now similarly if we are comparing now the odd number with odd numbers, so what 2 exponent of a minus c plus 2 exponent of b minus c plus 1 is equal to, we get in here 37. Now we transfer 1 to the right side, their sign is also changed. Of a minus c plus 2 exponent of b minus c is equal to 37 minus 1 is equal to 36. But this term is also, we can change this term to according to the definition, we are separate this one exponent, 2 exponent of a dot 2 exponent of minus c plus 2 exponent of b dot 2 exponent of minus c is equal to 36. Further, now we change this according to the rule of x minus x exponent of minus m, we change into the positive form, so we can write xm. According to this rule, we are changing the value of 2 exponent of minus c, 2 exponent of n divided by 2 exponent of c plus 2 exponent of b divided by 2 exponent of c is equal to 36. Now we have already found the value of c. If we substitute the value of c, put c, this result 2 exponent of a divided by 2 exponent of 2 and 2 exponent of b divided by 2 exponent of 2 is equal to 36. Now we take LCM, here we get 4, 2 exponent of a plus 2 exponent of b divided by 2 exponent of 2 is equal to 36. Now 2 exponent of a plus 2 exponent of b is equal to, we multiply this term and here we get 2 square multiplied by 36. So b, so both are even number and here also both are in even number. Now we change this result. So 2 exponent of a plus 2 exponent of b is equal to 2 square and 2, and this one we can write 4 multiplied by 9 and 2 square and 2 square into 3 square. Now look here, if we taking the base, so we will get 2 plus 2 and 3 square. Similarly 2 exponent of a plus 2 exponent of b is equal to 2 exponent of 4 and 3 exponent of square. Now 2 exponent of 4 we get here 16 and 3 exponent of square is we get 9. One is even number and one is odd number, but this side is also an even number. Now we try to make one is odd and one is the same process. If we divide the left side term, 2 exponent of b, 2 exponent of b divided by 2 exponent of b, 2 exponent of a plus 2 exponent of b is equal to 2 exponent of 4 and 3 square. Divide by each term in the bracket 2 exponent of b into 2 exponent of a divided by 2 exponent of b plus 2 exponent of b divided by 2 exponent of b is equal to 4 square into 3 square. 2 exponent of 4, sorry for the exponent of 4. Now we are divide this one, we get in here what already done in the previous steps, 2 exponent of a and 2 exponent of b. So we take one base in a minus b, we can write in this form. So 2 exponent of b, this term we can write a minus b plus 1 is equal to 2 exponent of 4 and 3 exponent of square. So 2 exponent of b is an even number and this term is in odd number, and 2 exponent of 4 is in even number and 3 square is in odd number. Once again we are comparing even with even numbers and odd with odd numbers is equal to 2 exponent of 4. Again bases are same, so we are comparing their power exponent, we get the value of b, and another result we have already done, c is equal to 2 we have already done. Now we are 2 exponent of a minus b plus 1 is equal to 3 square. Right side their sign is also changed, so 2 exponent of a minus b is equal to 3 square minus 1. Here is positive, we transfer, so the sign is also changed. Here 2 exponent of a minus b is equal to 3 square 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Now we have already calculated the value of b, and here we substitute the value of b also, and a minus 4 is equal to 8. Now we try to make this one also 2 exponent of 3. We get, now the bases are same. If we are comparing their exponent, so we get a minus 4 is equal to 3. So we transfer this result, a is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So another value of a is, so the solution set of a, b and c, we have already found that a is 7, 4 and 2. We have already conditioned as a is greater than b is greater than c. Now look here, 7 is greater than 4 is greater than 2. So our solution is correct. Now if we want to verify our answer is correct and b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 2. If we replace in the given question, checking, if we want to check verify, 2 exponent of a is 7 and plus 2 exponent of b is 4 and 2 exponent of 2 is question mark is 148. So this exponential equation is just in one equation is given, so we are 2 exponent of, we get in here 2 exponent of 7 is 128 plus, and 2 exponent of 4 we get 16 plus 4 is question mark is 148. Now this will be 20, 21 we get 148 is 148. So our solution is correct. A is equal to 7 and b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 2 is our solution. Thank you very much for your interesting question today. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe my channel.